Everybody, it's your boy Susty doing a quick review here on the Xumo Stream Box. This is through Spectrum, and what we're going to do is get this hooked up to the TV, see how it works in regards to streaming. It's supposed to be really quick as far as the setup goes, so getting rid of the old boxes. This is going to be cheaper, more streamlined. You're going to have your apps on here, making all your TVs a smart TV. So you got that, you got the box itself inside, got your power cable, the remote, and the HDMI cord. I'm gonna hook that up to all three TVs. I do have the cloud DVR service, so I can go ahead and record and watch on any of the TVs in the house. The remote you can go ahead and speak into and change your channels that way, so that works out great. Also, it does have the push buttons on it itself, so obviously you're changing the channels going directly to the channel you want, up or down, etc. But let's get right into it. Let's get it hooked up, see how quickly it hooks up. And it does have a QR code on the quick start guide and the paperwork that they send you, so it reads the account automatically and hooks up your TV. So let's go do that. We'll get this hooked up and see if that actually works as they say, that quickly. Quick review here, and we'll get it set up and let you know. Okay guys, so basically it's very simple. You're going to take the Xumo box. You're going to plug in the HDMI cable, which it does come with. I showed you that earlier, the power cord. Obviously, you're going to connect that to the areas that you need to. You got your remote here. You're just going to go ahead and plug that in. And you're going to follow the prompts as it says. You're going to pick a language when it comes up initially, English or Spanish. And then you're just going to follow the prompts straight through. There's nothing you need to do other than hit continue, continue, continue. It's going to read by your Wi-Fi. You're going to get to a point where it's going to ask you for your Wi-Fi password. You're going to enter that because this is all Wi-Fi. There's no longer a cable, an old school cable box. You're not doing that anymore. So you're just going to go ahead, hook it up Wi-Fi. Once this gets hooked up and it updates, it's updating the software, and it checks the status. It goes through that process. A screen is going to pop up, and we're going to get to that soon. It's going to have all the stations that you currently have in your package and the apps below, where you're going to have to sign in individually. So say you got Hulu, Netflix, Amazon Prime, etc. Whatever they may be, you're going to sign in for the first time. Once you're signed in, all you got to do is click on the app, get to it, and then you can watch whatever you need to watch, including obviously the channels that you want. The remote has those features on here also. Netflix, Prime Video, you got Peacock, and then of course your regular punch in if you're going to go ahead and watch Spectrum and the channels you want. So there's your voice one when you want to turn your channels, volume up and down, etc. But right now what we're going to do is go ahead and it's getting to the update status.
With this latest software update. The update can take around 20 minutes and then your device will restart.
Okay, so like it said just there, because we're in the process of doing this live, it could take up to 20 minutes. So if you have multiple boxes because you have multiple TVs, you could do that while this one is doing that. So we'll get back to this one later and we'll see where we're at. But just a heads up as to how things are and the process of it. We'll get back to you shortly. Alright guys, so we're in the mode now where you're just connecting your remote to the TV. It's volume first and then speakers, etc. So yeah, we're just going to click yes.
Connect to your speakers. Please enter the brand of your speakers.
Once you're actually in and you have it set up, you're going to go ahead and follow, like I said, just the prompts. There is a setup process. You're going to have to click through and then go go ahead, add your account information for Spectrum, that sort of thing. But once you're in and you've clicked through all that, this is what comes up on the home screen. It's very fresh, clear, and there's your apps. You'll sign into those individually, and then you'll be able to watch those on a regular basis, along with your regular TV and Spectrum. So that's basically it. You're just going to click through and sign in as you would with any of your account information, whether it be Spectrum to get in originally, which is pretty quick, and then go through your accounts, assign into those on a one-time basis, and you'll be able to just click on them and go from there. That's it. It's real simple, easy, straightforward. So the setup process is, yes, a 10. Easy, streamlined. That's one TV down, 2 to go. I don't see an issue here, so definitely a plus as far as pricing goes, cloud service, compared to what you were paying for the old boxes, compared to this Xumo box. What do I give it? I give it a 10 so far. Everything works great, looks great, streamlined. What more can you ask? So thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, hit the notification button. Watch me over on TikTok. Susti out.